Hi, I'm Vivek, and welcome to AI Start Small and Keep Moving. AI made simple for professionals. If you are a senior professional, you have probably heard a lot about artificial intelligence. You also want to use it. You also want to use it to become more productive, more efficient, and saving the cost. But you do not know how and how to go about it, how to go to implement AI. Don't worry, we are in the right place. As the name suggests, AI start small and keep moving. We will pick some basic steps and implement in our daily routine to get advantage of AI. And a team member. Today, I will take a small example which you are going to do it day in, day out, writing emails. Everyone in professional industry writes email. And as per the research, 5 to 7% of our time goes into writing the emails. Everyone, if you are a project manager, you write mail to project update, to team member, you update your stakeholders, you update your board members. If you are an entrepreneur, you are writing for the business proposal, business partnership. You are writing email to follow up on what happened to the proposal I sent you last week or 15 days back. You are asking for the update. So everywhere. And it's very important for us to write a professional and crisp email nowadays, because writing a lengthy email will not serve that purpose, and nobody, and mainly at the higher up, people don't have so much time to go through that. I will take you a very simple example how to use AI to write a very professional email without losing the essence. Let's understand through some example. I will say I will be using ChatGPT. You can use any tool, but what I suggest, there are so many AI tools nowadays. You just pick up one and try to use that and master it rather than switching between the tools, because it will you will be losing lots of your time evaluating different tools rather than doing the actual work. Let's move on to I will open ChatGPT and I will show how I was writing a long email before, and how ChatGPT helps me make it very short and crisp at the same time without losing the essence and the crux of the email. Let's move on to, I will open ChatGPT for you, and then we will move on. Okay. Now take an example of a project a status update email, which you write it at least weekly, or to the team member you write daily, and board member you may write once a quarter or once a month, you know, which is something which we do it day in, day out. And that's why let's take that as a first example, and how we can use AI to be more professional writing this. Okay. For example, I have just written a long email out here. You can see subject follow up on project update and next step. Dear team, I hope this message finds you well. As discussed in our last meeting, the project has been progressing, but there is still several areas that requires our immediate attention. So if we are writing a detailed email and which is becoming a very long, best regards, Vivek. Okay, now fit this. Suppose you want to make it more concise, you know, and you are passing this to ChatGPT. Now I am using ChatGPT 5.0, which is you don't have to be really worry about what option you have to select, as it was in the previous versions. Now, writing prompt. What prompt we will give it to our chat GPT? It is very important, you know, because if your prompt is not effective, you will not get the desired output, you know, because as we say, garbage in, garbage out, you know. So, for example, I just suggest something like, please rewrite the following email in a sorter, right? In a sorter, now more concise, concise version without losing its main message, right? Keep it professional and easy to read. Okay. Well, you know, it is very important that you know, we our prompt is uh, exactly the same what we want. You know, if you want to understand how to write effective prompts, you know, one of the way to learn is you know, there are many YouTube's you know, YouTube channels which has lots of training material on it. I have also learned using the same. I have Google material. I have referred Google material, and also there is one more way to learn how to write effective prompt. I will just let you know. Okay, so I just fit my prompt here, and then I give this my long lengthy email out to it, and then I say chat GPT, let it work. Okay, now let's see what chat GPT is saying. Okay, so here is that. Here is the concise. Now you can say here is a concise and professional rewrite of your email. This is the chat GPT. So you know, this is the kind of prompt you can use next time, right? Because this is what you know, chat GPT has written internally, you know. Now you see, let's compare whether we have project update and next steps. Dear team, as discussed in our last meeting, the project is progressing, but a few areas needed immediate attention. The client has requested design changes which must be completed before moving forward. While it's tightness our timeline, delivering high quality works remains our priority. We also need to review the marketing budget as initial estimates were underestimated. I recommend scheduling a meeting with finance to confirm required resources. Lastly, I urge everyone to share timely update to avoid delays and ensure smooth progress. Thank you for your continued effort. Let us stay aligned and focused to meet upcoming milestone. Best regards, Vivek. See here, you have covered everything. If you see how many lines you have covered this, the same message you have to write. So many messages are there, right? See, thank you for all your continued effort and dedication to this project. Let us stay aligned and focused so that we can successfully complete the upcoming milestone. Just read out the last passage, and then here you have make it one line for one passage equally, and that equally captures the essence of it. You know, whatever the mail you are writing in 12 lines, now you have 3 to 5 6 lines, and that too very short. So this is something we can pick up right now to save our time, be more productive, at the same time more effective and efficient at our workplace. Thank you.